Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today's going to be all about vetiver essential oil. So the whole playlist of the essential oil will be in the description box below. I try to keep this video short and simple. Vetiver is a wonderful root oil that is great for overall for strengthening and stabilizing and grounding the body, generally from an energetic perspective as well. It also is very nourishing and it's very protecting for the body and for mentally as well when it comes to, like mental instability, when it comes to overthinking and all that sort of stuff. Vetiver is a wonderful essential oil to focus on that, and it usually comes from Indonesia, and also is it can be found in India as well. So vetiver has a very deep, earthy, smoky aroma, and is considered one of these essential oils that are both heavy and warm, and it's usually used for different things. Among the top things that vetiver essential oil is used for is that it is literally amazing for the sore, achy muscles and painful joints because it warms and relieves the aches and pains. It also is great for anyone suffering from back aches in terms of pain in the back area, because not only does it help to relieve the aches and pains, of course, with the correct use and consistency, it also improves circulation. Any of the ladies out there suffering from menstrual cramps, vetiver essential oil is amazing for that, to be used as a massage oil on the abdominal area in gentle circular motions. And it also helps to from an energetical perspective. Vetiver oil is amazing for helping to ground and stabilize the emotions in cases of extreme stress. So if you're suffering from stress, if you're suffering from burnout, try infusing vetiver essential oil or using it as a massage oil. It would be great for that. You can even start off by diluting a little amount of it and placing it on the pulse points in your body, especially when it comes to placing it on your pulse point in your hand area, your wrist area is great for that. So vetiver essential oil is amazing, quite strong aroma, and you can use it for different things. So for pains and circulation problems, the blend that is recommended is 2 drops of vetiver, 3 drops of ginger, along with 5 drops of lavender. You simply use that, you put it in an amber glass bottle along with 15 to 20 milliliters of carrier oil. And I've spoken about my favorite types of carrier oils, their benefits, in the previous video, among them the sweet almond oil and the jojoba oil as well. So I would focus on one of these. And in regards to any problems with the menstrual cramps, it would be great if you could use a blend of vetiver and marium or clary sage. Clary sage is one of the other essential oils that is amazing when it comes to helping to relieve menstrual cramps, and you can use that in a blend of either let's say 4 to 5 drops of either marium essential oil or clary sage essential oil, and then combine that with 2 drops of vetiver, place it in an amber glass jar, and use a proportion of 20 milliliters of carrier oil. Shake it through. Whenever you're having the cramping, just simply take it out, massage the blend, shake of course, massage the blend on the lower abdominal area 2 times a day, and it will help in not only bringing you relief when it comes to cramps as well, it also helps to stabilize your emotion, because when you're going through the pain of cramping, it's also very hard on your mental well-being and emotional well-being as well. So it helps with that. Let's get back to the energetical benefits of vetiver essential oil. We did say that it helps with stabilizing emotions, but it also helps greatly with anyone suffering from emotional insecurity, and it's very calming as well. And the best way to do that is to either use vetiver essential oil in the bath along with lavender essential oil, that would be great, or to use it as a simple massage oil after your bath when your body is most relaxed and it's most needing that soothing energy with it. So great blends that we've talked about in this video. Let me know which one's your favorite, and also have you used vetiver essential oil? What is your experience with it? I'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. If this video has been helpful for you in any way and you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel, support the channel, like, share and subscribe. We would love to have you on board. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.